Hi, my name is BD and I built AccessPath, an AI-powered user journey bug finder and repair tool. So turn a plain English mission into observed evidence, a scope repair, and a verified result. The problem is that a team still has to answer 3 questions before they can make a safe code change. What happened? Where's the problem? Where does the problem live? And did the code change actually work? So most tools are not end-to-end, and AccessPath is able to detect where's the problem, make a difference, make a code diff via another Git work tree, and have the exact source, and it's also authorized, and it also can close the loop. So here's the mission and here's the architecture. I'll immediately show the use case. So for example, an emergency support application, a general user like us can just use the mouse and just go through it like usual, like you can just click through it and there seems to be no issue. But for a AccessPath can actually detect bugs that us general users or a coding agent might not actually have been able to detect for certain users. So I'm gonna just put the local repository path, connect the path here, and then the staging URL, then attach my plain English AI prompt, let it load for a sec. And then you can see here, we have the mission plan and it has mapped out the steps. So for example, choose that the household needs help with essential costs. Yes, it's consistent with this. Enter the applicant name, enter the phone number. Okay, let's run and freeze plan. So right now it's doing an audit. It's sending the coder agent SDK to actually go through the application form itself and to see what parts of it actually have issues. So here's the staging URL, here's the repository, here's the mission plan. At the same time, there's some Glock commands and there's some issue recorded. What I wanted to show is that while building this, I also pretty much used up the coder IDE credits, and you can see here. So what I did was that I separated this build into 12 phases, and so there are 12 prompts right here, and then I made the most use out of the agent and the different experts mode with on and off specs and also on and off goals. So since some of them are in sequence, there are only 3 chats, but basically the whole phase was almost used up the entire coder IDE, which is quite good. And I'm currently waiting on the command to finish. All right, great. So we now have the exact path scoped out. So we have app.js, index.html. Okay, and then we have the agent update. Okay, let's just do authorized repair first. Okay, so now a new set of commands will come through. Remember, this is all done using the coder agent SDK, both the audit and the repair. So now it's checking my code, AccessPath, checking the website you tested, it's running the same code you provided. Okay, now it's repairing. The authorized repair is running in an isolated source workspace. So yeah, it's running in a separate Git work tree that will not affect the original code. Then you can review the agent update. Okay, great. There's a repair plan here. What is affected? What is causing the issue? And I've forgot to show this, but yes. So the observed evidence, you can check it out here, is the issues that are identified with each step. So for example, there's a screenshot here which says that you cannot choose an eligibility option using only a keyboard. Means that I cannot use the tab to choose an option. And then this next issue that is found is that the phone field does not help people use the saved phone number. So these are the 5 issues that they observe. Now it is trying to repair it. All right, great. So it has repaired the code. Here's the final patch, review the verified source. So it has made these exact code changes to these exact file paths. It has shown here what were the exact code changes. So all I have to do is merge verified path. And great, verified patch is accepted. The patch is ready to merge. The entire thing has been done. The code change is done. Then we can export in. We can export in HTML. Then it will be downloaded here. I can open it up here. And yeah, we have a full mission report and a full bug report on what was completed, the staging result, the source, the mission ID, what was observed, approved repair scope, and yep, thanks for watching the demo.